Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about coloring Excel cells using VBA. If you want to color a particular single cell or a column or a row or a range of cells in VBA, we will be using a property called interior.color. So we will be setting the value to that property as a color constant, right? So we'll be saying interior.color is equal to color constant. So what is a color constant? Color constant is a color name starting with VB. So most of the colors are like in VB is having color constant. So you can say VB yellow, VB black, VB blue, VB green. So you will get the corresponding colors. Okay. So if you want to color a particular cell, you'll be calling it like this workbook dot sheets in bracket, the name of the sheet, dot range in bracket, which range, then dot interior dot color is equal to whatever color you want to apply for that particular cell. Okay, so you can directly use a color constant in VB to give the color, or even you can use something called RGB function. So we will look into that after finishing this color constant lesson. Okay, so let's try to test that. So here in this test sheet, I have three buttons, red, green and blue buttons. So if I click the red button, I want this box to be in red color. And if I click the green button, I want this box to be in green color. And if I click this blue button, I want this to be in blue color. So when I click this box, I can see the name of the box or the cell address is D3, correct? So now we will switch to VB IDE. So we will go to developer and we click on Visual Basic. And first we will add a module as usual. We will change the name of the module as color underscore cells. Okay, so I'm giving the first sub procedure sub red color. And I will say like this workbook dot sheets of test dot range of D3 dot interior dot color is equal to VB red. So that's the code for the red color. I'll keep writing the code, then I will go for green color also. Okay, I'm saying this workbook dot sheets of test dot range of D3 dot interior dot color is equal to VB green. Finally, we will go for the blue one, sub blue color. And I'm saying like this workbook dot sheets of test dot range of D3 dot interior dot color equals VB blue. So I'm done with my coding. So interior color is used and the color constant is used accordingly. So I'll switch back to my Excel and you can see I am assigning the macro. So this is red color and this is green color macro and this is blue color. Okay, so when I click red, it is red, green and blue, red, green, right? It's working. Okay, so now we will see how do we give the color using the RGB function. Instead of directly using color constant, you can even use what a RGB function. RGB stands for red, green and blue. So inside the RGB bracket, you can give the value for the red. So here actually I want the red color. So the maximum value I can give is 255 and the minimum is 0. So green also I will set 0. Blue also I will set 0. correct? So that means red goes to the maximum. We don't want green, we don't want blue also. So when I went back to Excel, it's same, it gives me a red color. So what if I give some other values in the place of green and blue? For example, I'm giving here 100 and I'm giving here 150. So when I switch back, so you will get that combination. So it will mix red, green and blue and it will give you a new color, right? Okay, so let me try with the 50. So you can see it now. There you go, see? Okay, so red, green are primary colors. So according to the value you give, you will get the color accordingly, right? So it's completely up to you which option you have to use, whether you have to use direct the color constant or you have to use the RGB function to get the color you are looking forward. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.